In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text file in Jupyter Notebook. Start by opening Jupyter Notebook in your web browser so you're in the environment where you normally run your Python code. Once you're in a notebook interface, look at the top menu bar, click File, hover over New, and choose Notebook. If you're prompted to select a kernel, choose Python so the code will run correctly. In the first empty cell, type this short Python snippet exactly as follows, with open example.txt. W as file. Write hello. This is my first text file created in Jupyter Notebook. Print file created successfully. This code uses Python's built-in open function with a context manager. The W tells Python to open the file in write mode, which creates the file if it doesn't exist and replaces its contents if it does. The as file part gives us a file handle to write to. The with block automatically closes the file for you, which is a safe and clean way to handle files. The write line adds your message to the file, and the print line gives a clear confirmation in the notebook output when everything runs. Now run the cell. You can do that by clicking the Run button in the toolbar or by pressing Shift and Enter on your keyboard. When it finishes, you should see the message File created successfully in the cell's output and the file example. .txt will be created in your current working directory, the same folder your notebook is using. To check that it's there, return to the Jupyter file browser or the file list for your workspace and refresh the view if needed. You should see example.txt in the list. You can click it to open and preview the content, confirming the line you wrote from the notebook. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're looking in the same directory as your notebook and refresh the page. That's all you need to create a text file in Jupyter Notebook using a few lines of Python.